Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap, market recap, whatever you can call it. So let's get started. All the trades taken here. The first, when the market opened on the 3rd, March 3rd, so, 13th, March 13th, right? So this is the first trade, sell order here, and for 95 pip to the downside. My entries you will see on the left hand side with the yellow mark, and it says entry, buy, sell, whatever, and SL break to move to break even plus. So 13 March, this is the first one. Here on the 13th second, the oil trade, sell order here from 76.66 to 73.26. Beautiful trade to the downside. 13th, gold going to the upside from 1877 to 1911. On the 13th, one more pound USD going to the upside, long trade, buy order here, 70 pip to the upside. On the 13th, EUR-USD going to the upside for 65 pip. And on the 14th, oil again going down here from 74.62 to 72.95. And here, this is a long trade here, 2 entries, by the way, back to back. This is first entry here from here to there is 180 pip, and this one I made a second entry when it was keep going. I wanted to show somebody that I can make multiple entries, so that's why I did it. Usually I don't, but yeah, I took this one while I still alive here. I took this one as well for another 100 pip. So it's just 1 day, 1 pair, and 280 pip. This is how the system, these entries, look at that, entry, entries everywhere. You don't see these entries in a regular time frame charts like Japanese candlestick. All right, so on the 14th, USD yen, all the way from here, there, 140 pip alongside. This one, again, oil from 74.51 going down to, this is the entry, to 71.58. And oil just keep going down, man. And on 15th, March 15, USD yen, first it went up, then reverse, downside, 110 pip, sell order here. And here, pound yen, I'm mostly doing USD yen and pound yen out of all those yen pairs. So that's why you're going to see pound yen, USD yen again and again. Sell order here on the 15th, 110 pip to the downside. And again here, oil again from 70.28 to going to all the way to 65.94. I shrink the chart because it wasn't coming into the screen, so that's why it looks like this, because it's a big move and it's bigger than the charts. I shrink it. So this is on the 15th. On the 15th, USD franc going to the upside for 80 pip. USD yen for this is from 7 minute, and it is going to the upside. This is a beautiful entry here. Just wanted to show that when the moving is fast, then we use the faster chart. Simple as that. And nowadays you see the volatility is too much, right? So some of these trades you'll see that I took right after this news mumbo jumbo here, and then it catches the direction, and then from 7 minute I made the entry for 90 pip. Pound yen from 20 minute, 120 pip. Beautiful trade, buy the book entry, right? Perfect. On the 16 EUR-AUD, this is also from 7 minute chart showing to the downside move, and the 60 pip move looks big, but the chart is smaller. That's why it's only 60 pip from here to here. On the 16th, pound Aussie, because of the Aussie strength, so the EUR-AUD and pound Aussie both went down, and I took both from 7 minute chart in Asian session, by the way. These are, so Asian session is kind of slow, so you got to take this 7 minute chart. 20 minute, don't see many entries there. So I took the 7 minute entries, and on the 17th, gold going up here from this 1928 to 1972, big time flying, right? And I already made the gold video, and you can watch that how I am tracking gold exactly right on the dot since October 2022. All right. So, and the last but not the least is this pound CAD going to the upside on Friday. and it is also for I forgot to type here, I guess. Yeah, so probably it was like 80 pip or something. Okay, so and this is it. So this is the last one. Now just let me show you something here that I joined this Forex Factory. You see this Forex Factory website? I joined here. I become member in 2008. This is how long I've been trading, almost 14 years. So this is my account here. I have a forum here, right, on Forex Factory, and this is my YouTube channel, and it has almost like 1,300 videos so far, and it is from that time as well. I post weekly charts, just like gold indexes, and it's a lot of things. So I can't mention everything. This is my Twitter account. I have, this is also very old. LinkedIn, very old. Facebook account. This is Creative Trading System. This is my new name. It was before my Forex Magic Wave, but I changed the name a couple of years ago to creativetradingsystems.com, right? So this is how it is. So yeah, I'm pretty old in this market, and I know almost everything, and I can teach you almost, or not almost, it's 100% every single thing that Forex has to offer. So here, this is my website, and if you want to become a part, you want to get the system, learn how to use it, then you can subscribe and get the system and start trading accordingly, start to learn. And if you are in need of learning everything, excuse me, let's say from the scratch, like all the studies, SNL levels, harmonic patterns, how to use Fibonacci properly, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, every single thing, then you can sign up for this one-on-one coaching I have. This is 10-hour course online over the Zoom with me personally, no recording videos, personally, teaching you from A to Z, everything Forex has to offer. Okay, and you will learn every single thing. You become master, and then you can take the trades the way I just showed you. Very easy, piece of cake. But it just need to learn everything, you need to learn, that's all. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show you guys, and if you like what you saw, just come here and subscribe, sign up for one-on-one coaching, whatever, and let's do it. But by the way, this is the new chart that I made for gold, and I already showed it in my last video I made today about the gold, covering everything. But this is what I'm expecting. So I'm going to show it here as well. Excuse me. A lot of talking, making videos, just coughing coming. So this is Elliott wave count here, and I'm tracking this goal for a long time, for the last 6 month charts you can see on my last video, and it is right on the dot according to my analysis. And you have a big opportunity making money watching my charts, and use your system, whatever you have, or get my system and then do it. But this is what I predicted when it was here. So either it's gonna go up straight if we break this area. This area is always crucial, or if it drops, then we will go down here, right, all the way here, and then we'll go up. So it chose not to drop and to go up. So that's why I had that trade I just showed you. Gold trade, this one. So gold trade just above this level here, and after that it start flying. So this is how it is. Well, if you sign up, I'll teach you every single thing, right? So this is it for now, and hope to see you in my webinar. When you sign up, by the way, you will get to watch my previous recordings of all the webinars I held. And also you can attend my live webinars twice a week, where I make new charts and I show everything, all the analysis, and I give heads up that which pair is going to go where. Sunday 4 p.m. and Wednesday 4 p.m. I also record those webinars and then send out the recordings. Also, if you join, when you join, then you will become a part of my Telegram group, where I always posting the heads up about the upcoming setups and charts, for the setup charts and this and that. You can see here all of them, right? So I'm constantly posting and updating everything here on the Telegram. All right, so this is it for now, and hope to see you in my webinars, and have a very, very wonderful weekend. whatever is left. Today Saturday, you have tomorrow Sunday. You can sign up, get the system, get the charts, set up the charts, and get ready for Monday. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly posting videos with a very good trade setup, so you can get those videos ahead of time and take advantage of those setups. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.